Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making deep fried cod. White fish is coated with panko breadcrumbs and deep fried. Fried fish like this is quite popular and eaten all the time in Japan. We'll also show you how to make homemade Japanese tartar sauce, which makes the dish extra delicious. These are the ingredients. We are using cod, but you can also use other white fish. We cut the fillet into easier to eat size, but you can keep it large or cut into even smaller pieces. These are the ingredients for the tartar sauce. For more information and complete recipe, please visit our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. Let's get started. Salt and pepper cod fillets and wrap with the paper towel. Cod has a lot of moisture, so this extra steps is important to make the frying easier later. Refrigerate for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Meanwhile, we make the tartar sauce. Mince all of the ingredients. Raw onion, cornichon or you can use regular small cucumber pickles, and boiled eggs. Add everything to a bowl with Japanese mayonnaise and mix. Add some salt and pepper to taste and keep it in the refrigerator. Now we are going to coat the fish. First, coat the surface with all-purpose flour, dip in beaten egg, and then coat with the panko breadcrumbs, like that. Heat the deep frying oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and gently drop the crumb-covered fish to deep fry. Turning once or twice, fry until the color turns golden brown and the fish floats in the oil, about 3 to 4 minutes. Carefully remove from the oil and serve immediately with a side of vegetables and homemade tartar sauce. Deep fried cod is a great dinner entree and a popular dish to pack in a bento box too. We will show you how to make a bento lunch in another video next week, so stay tuned.
美味しい。美味しいね。